Blake Yarder is one of the only people in the entire country that we have chosen to take on as pro staff. His outstanding character, intelligence, and ability to stay on fish no matter where he's at has kept him in the top tier of fishermen in the Electric Championship Series. A good part of his success he dedicates to his rig, something that we all came together to build on. But the boat is only one part of the equation. The other is the motor. And out of all the major brands out there, Blake chose to go with EPropulsion. And in the electric fishing world, a game that is constantly evolving by the year, Blake tells us his experiences during this interview on how the motor he chose kept him in the top tier of all fishermen. You went from a trolling motor to this. How has that affected your ability to fish out there competitively against?
It's been tremendous as far as being able to make more decisions, go different places. You know, the good thing about this motor compared to a lot of its competition is it comes as a package unit, and it will tell you how much battery's left, how much runtime you have left, and that's monumental, you know, in fishing a tournament, to know what your options are. Because when you don't know, you know, you're left in the blind. This is the EVO 60 motor, and we run this unit off of two of the old Navy packs, 48 volt. So it's actually a 96 volt system, and we've been running this system for about 3 years now. This motor's we've been running it 2 years, and another good feature about this motor is you cannot hear it running. It is virtually silent. All you can hear is the water bumping off the side of the boat. You cannot hear it running. There's a lot of other outboard companies that you can certainly hear the motor coming, but all you can hear is the water splashing up against the boat with this motor. We fished last year with the EPropulsion outboard, and you can see it's, you know, anytime you can stay in any trail in the top 5 in every tournament, or any tournament, you've done well. And last year, we had 6 wins last year. We had 19 top 5s, and I want to say 28 top 10s out of 34 tournaments last year. So it's definitely gave us an advantage. You know, it hadn't let us down. We haven't had one problem with the motor. You know, as far as I'm concerned, it's just as good today as it was the day that we got the motor. Just want to thank EPropulsion for all they've done for us as an electric community. I want to thank TBNation, all the support for making electric fishing what it is today.